Euro against US dollar this week has risen in value, and we can see the week started with this bullish candle, where this candle has closed slightly above this area of resistance, 1.16857. From there, the next day the price has continued to rise in value. We can see again making a small bullish breakout at this area of resistance, which is 1.17488. After that, the price is trying to move further up, and we can see the price could not manage to go further up. The price has returned back down. We can see a small bearish candle has been created on a Thursday, and on a Friday the price tried to move further down, targeting the next support level 1.168, but the price has managed to stay here very close to this area of currently acting as a resistance, 1.17488. Weekly time frame currently shows me a return candle, which is a strong bullish candle after 2 weeks were bearish. We can see that the price has managed to return back and reaching the resistance level 1.17488, and it has stopped right here. The price did not manage to go further down, which I was expecting the price will continue to do that, but the price could not manage to make a bearish breakout, which will be the first step in order to move further down. Then the monthly time frame, we can see we have around 1 week until this month closes. So we can see that the price is trying to return back in order to follow this strong bullish momentum. Will that be possible in the next week? We will see, but the target, we can see that, is to stay above this area of currently resistance, 1.17488. If the next week continues to rise in value, we can see that the next target will be around this area, which is a confluence of resistance around 1.188. Now, in order to know what will happen, we can see that the weekly time frame needs to make a bullish breakout, and we can see the daily time frame needs to return back above this 1.181. Will that be manageable? Will the price do that? We will need to pay attention day by day next week. That means waiting for Monday to open and see how the price will close the day, and also how the price will react during the day. Especially on the lower time frames, so we will see how the price behaves. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see a strong candles with the large wicks that has been formed in the last several days, which means strong volatility currently on the market. How the price will behave, it is something that we need to watch, because we can see the price is currently bouncing in this area. So we need a bullish or bearish breakout for the price to see where the price will go. So for the EURUSD, I'm still waiting outside for a clean information, and if there is any bullish or bearish breakouts happening on the market, for example, like in this one here example, this will be shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, so you're informed when there is entry level, when there is a take profit and the stop loss level happening on the market. So feel free to check the link below in the description if you would like to receive these updates. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.